Thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. Today we're going to show you how to assemble the motherboard on the Audi Concert radio. This is the non-navigation Audi radio. We are adding the Apple CarPlay, so this unit is for the YP-CPAA-320SYM, SYM. So if you buy that CarPlay unit, you will have to assemble this on the radio. Now we have another video like that, but it seems like there was something that was not clear for some of the people who watch it, so we're going to make it a little bit, try to make it as clear as possible. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to open on the radio. We're going to remove the screen. So removing the screen is fairly simple. There's tabs all around. We're going to do that. I might need another screwdriver. I might use one. We'll see how it's going to go. Just going to pull the tabs and let it all go out. This is completely out. Okay, now we have here that piece of metal in here. Okay, so we're going to remove it. We will not be using it again. So this one also has a couple of tabs on the side. So just lift it, the small screwdriver, from one corner. I have this corner in here. Okay, so it's been lifted, and we have our flex cable close enough for us to see. Okay, so we're gonna remove this flex cable very gently, pull it out. Okay, so we have the flex cable out. Now we're going to install the new flex cable on the unit. So we're going to have the blue tab on the top. I'm going to push it in very gently, make sure we don't bend it. So a little bit playing like left and right until it goes in deep enough. Okay. Now the next piece is going to be to the actual motherboard. So the motherboard position is this way on the radio at the end, which means this goes to the top of the motherboard. Again, we have the connector in here, so this is the top of the motherboard. We're gonna take the black tab out, slide in the blue tab all the way in, and lock it. Make sure it locks properly. Okay, so again we have the blue tab facing the top of the small motherboard, and the bottom one, same idea. I'm gonna have the blue tab all the way in as much as possible and lock it with the black locker. Okay, make sure it locks all the way. Okay, now we have it. Now as you can see, it might be a little bit of an angle, so we'll take it out, push it in, and lock it back. So again, the top tab, both tabs are with the blue facing up. Okay, and this is pretty much all the install. Now the flex cable will go in back into that spot we have opened, slide the unit back inside, and that part is done. Now we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna use the two screws here are basically what is going to be our holder. And make sure you don't put that piece back, so you don't make any, you don't damage, you don't make any shorts on the unit. So put this on inside here. One on this side and one on this side. Now I'm gonna bring the cable that's supposed to be connected here just to show you the correct direction for this cable. 1 second, I'll bring it over. Okay, so from the system, we have our cable in here. Okay. So this is the cable. And on the cable, there's two tabs, very hard to see them. But basically, the ground wire is going to be on the right side. Okay, make sure it's all the way in. So the ground wire is on the right side. And that's your assembly for the radio. Now this one will go to our unit. Okay. Check the second video we have on how to install the unit in the vehicle. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a great day.